Teenager accused of snatching a Sprague toddler out of his stroller and then taking off made his first court appearance today. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Nadine Woodward. That 15-year-old boy entered a plea of not guilty to a charge of second-degree kidnapping. He's being charged as a juvenile, so we are not identifying him. KXLY4's Alex LeFriec was in Davenport for today's hearing. Joins us now live in the studio with more. Alex?
Nadine, he stared straight ahead as the judge read the charges and didn't say much. His attorney did most of the talking, but the two words he spoke loud and clear that everybody heard was not guilty.
The 15-year-old Sprague resident was arrested late Wednesday afternoon for the attempted kidnapping of 2-year-old Owen Wright. He's being charged as a juvenile with kidnapping in the second degree.
Well, based on what we see in the affidavit of facts and what's been demonstrated in the video, that would be an appropriate charge. Whether or not this turns out to be my client or not, we've yet to see.
If found guilty, the teen faces 15 to 36 weeks in jail.
Depending on what happens during the case, there may be enhancements that could raise or lower that.
While there was no bond set, ideally the prosecution says they would like the suspect to stay behind bars.
There are a lot of children in the household where this particular defendant resided. The town of Sprague is very concerned about the safety of their children, and that's one of the things the court looks at.
If bond is set in the future, they recommend $100,000, house arrest, and he'd be unable to attend school.
There were some prior incidents that give us concern.
The suspect's attorney says he's still familiarizing himself with the case, but took it on because it seemed interesting.
We'll evaluate the evidence, mount a defense, and see where this case is going to go.
I spoke with Owen's dad, Michael Wright, on the phone after the court appearance, and he says no matter how long the suspect is incarcerated, he hopes he gets the help he needs so this doesn't happen to another family. The suspect is set to make his next court appearance on April 10th. Reporting in the studio tonight, Alex LeFriec, KXLY4 News.
All right.